So this is one of my automation channel. We recently hit 100,000 subscribers. Now the funny thing is, if I go to view more, you will see that in the last 28 days we gained 20,000 subscribers. Now if I go to the last 2 months, or should I say 3 months, we've actually gained 97,000 subscribers. So the majority of the view that we've gained was actually in the last 2 months. I filtered by the last 3 months because it doesn't have the option to filter by the last 2 months. But I literally just gained almost 100,000 subscribers in just 2 months of starting this channel. So in today's video, I want to get straight to the point to show you the easiest way to actually grow an automated YouTube channel in 30 days. So if you're someone that have a channel currently that is struggling to get views, whether you're starting from scratch, 0 subscribers, applying this have the capability of helping you see a result by soon as next week or even by next month. So of course, be sure to watch the whole video. Of course, a lot of the information won't really make sense unless you watch the whole video to get the whole process. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Vixamore. I post anything related to YouTube automation because that's what I've been doing within the past 3 years. So if that interests you, then you can hit the subscribe button because I make more videos similar to what you're seeing right now. Alright guys, so there's two simple things that I always keep in mind whenever I'm starting a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what niche your channel is in. If you use these two strategies, you have a higher chance of growing your channel than the average person. Most YouTubers out on YouTube, it take them months, some even take years to be able to grow their channel. But with what I'm going to be teaching you, you have an advantage over, honestly, 99% of people that are getting on YouTube. Because not many people actually think about this. But what I'm about to teach you today, if you leverage that in the beginning stage of your channel and you keep going consistently with it, you will start seeing results. So I'm going to pick a channel from a random niche and I'm going to show you guys a strategy that I would use to grow a channel within a month or two easily. Alright, so I'm going to use this channel as an example. So this is a mythology channel. So let's say I'm starting a channel on the mythology niche. So I have a faceless channel or automation channel, which I'm going to be starting. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making videos on mythology, sharing different stories related to mythology and stuff like that. So the first thing that I would do before I even create my first video, I need to make sure I do the keyword research. Now, the first every 50 video that's uploaded on the channel, or another way of saying this is the first video that is uploaded within the first 2 months are the videos that are very crucial because that's the time frame I give my channel to get some traction. If you've been posting for a month or two, you're not seeing any traction, or at least your channel getting some momentum, then you're doing something wrong. So applying what I'm going to show you, you'll be able to do it. So taking the mythology niche, for example, so what I usually do within that niche are type keyword that I could think of in my head within that space that I can search for. So for example, mythology is already a keyword. So sometimes you can put the topic of your niche into the search term. And to be able to make this work, we're gonna need a tool called vidIQ. Now vidIQ have a free version of it. You can see it right here. It's like a Chrome extension, but you actually don't need the paid version of this. So if you want to profit off YouTube, then you must be willing to pay at least $10 per month on vidIQ. Now, this is the plan that they have. Honestly, you really need the Pro, which is like $750. Most of you guys are spending that on Netflix already. I use the Max because I have multiple channels which I manage and I need to link them to multiple of my channels. But honestly, most people, you just need the Pro to actually get the job done. What I'm about to show you. So what I'll do is I'll type the keyword on the search, and of course I'll use it with multiple keyword, and I'll scroll down because you have the Chrome extension of vidIQ. Once you have that, you can scroll down and it will have this that says show all however amount of keyword. So it's showing you related keyword to whatever keyword that you search for. And usually what I do is I click overall score. And when I click overall score, it will show me the keyword with the highest score. And basically with vidIQ, the keyword with the highest score basically have a low competition or very low competition. And they have a decent amount of search volume. Now, the easiest way to grow on YouTube, even in general, if you take this in a business aspect, it's easier to grow a channel in a niche that have low competition, but that have a good amount of search volume. So keep in mind, if there's a lot of people that are searching for how to bake ice cream, and nobody made a video on how to bake ice cream, and you're the only person to have a video on how to bake ice cream, your video is gonna rank the first on the search. Now I know the amount of people that are searching for how to bake ice cream is very low, but that's the point. So we have to make videos around keywords that have low competition, but that have a good amount of search volume within that niche that you are into. So you're gonna find a lot of keywords that have low competition, but they're not really getting that much search volume. So what this right here is basically an average of amount of people that are searching for that keyword on a monthly basis. Now, this is a tool and it's not really accurate, but it gives you an average, which is why it's an estimate. So it's not really accurate. It can't really track every single person that is watching YouTube videos on specific keywords, but it gives you a little bit of average or estimate of the amount of people. So what I usually tend to go for is keywords that have at least 20,000. Sometimes I make some expectation of at least 10,000. At least 20,000 in search volume per month with a low competition or very low competition. You see that some of them are low, some of them are very low, and some of them are medium. Now I'll pick like a couple medium, but I want to stay within the low or the very low range. So I can see this one right here, questing bees. if I look that on YouTube, because I really don't know what that is. So before we continue, guys, I want to announce the winner for the last giveaway. All right, so the last winner for the last video was Gio. Now for today's video, we have Eli. So Eli just won a 1-hour call with me. So from every video that I do, I usually pick out a winner. And basically what the winner get is they actually get an hour call with me. So I spent the last 2 years building multiple 6-figure business on YouTube, using YouTube automation. These are this channel. Basically, I get people to make the content for me where I don't have to do the content. So for anybody that is interested in getting 1-hour call with me, all they have to do is hit the like button, comment I'm in, subscribe to the channel, and go to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram, and also send me a screenshot that you actually comment I'm in on my YouTube channel. And then I usually just pick one winner from all the videos, and that winner get an hour call with me so I can help them with anything related to YouTube automation, whether it's getting started or whether it's scaling your channel. So now back to the video. Right, so it looks like it's a channel. It's not really a topic that I can make my video around. So I'm looking for topics. I'm looking for keyword that can give me topics. So if we scroll down, we could see University of Brigham. I don't think that's a topic. That's the university. Right, so while we're scrolling down, now we have this one that is medium, but we have 169,000 people on a monthly basis that are searching for it. But it's medium, but I would write this one down. And again, another rule is any keyword that have over 50 plus and overall score, this one have 62 is also a very good one. Now I'll take the word fairy and I want to look it up to make sure that it's actually a word. And I looked it up. It's basically a mythology wolf, basically. So this is a specific key. This is a specific keyword that I can put as a video idea. So of course, keep in mind the first 50 videos you upload on a channel needs to be very specific around those keywords. Now, sometimes I do it around trend, but around keyword is more of a sure way to actually get your channel some views and momentum to the channel. So you can see we have multiple videos on fairy. For example, fairy, the giant wolf within God feared. So we can see it's actually a specific keyword that we can make a video around. It's a specific topic that we can make videos around. And we're gonna keep looking. All right, so now we found a low competition keyword, and we're gonna copy this one right here. I can say have over 20,000 plus, and we're gonna search it, and we can basically see perfect. So it's basically a goddess. So it's related to the topic, or it's related to what the niche is about. And another thing that you can do once you search those keywords, you can always click see all. It will show you similar keyword related to that specific keyword that we find. So it's like a cycle. We can find more keyword. So we have, I think this is the same thing spelled a different way. So now we can find more similar keyword. We can do the same thing overall score. But for some niches, keep in mind, guys, this might take more time for certain niches. And you might have to click on, if you click on a specific keyword that's related to the niche, it will show you more keywords. So doing that will help you find more keyword. And basically what I'll do, I'll compile this keyword on a Google Doc. For example, this is for an investing channel that I was working on. And you could see I did the same thing. So I have value investing, low competition, 60,000 people searching for it. Low competition, close to 500,000 people searching for it. So compiling those on a Google Doc, and I have all those keywords that I'm gonna make videos around. So you only make videos around those keywords because you know they're low competition, or some that are medium but they have a high search volume, and they have a good amount of search volume. So low competition, high search volume. Because keep in mind, guys, how YouTube promote a new channel is basically through either the browse, you have the search, you have the suggested, and you also have external, but none of those, we don't control any of them. So, but the only one that we have some control over is the search. So if somebody search for a keyword and they see our video, you rarely search on YouTube for, say for example, how to cook a lasagna, for the first video or the second videos, or even the first 10 or 20 video to be how to cook an egg. Because YouTube is gonna recommend stuff that is related to your keyword that you're searching for. So the search term is the only one that we have some control over. So if we can make videos that are very strategic around keyword that have low competition and a good amount of search volume, then we have a winner. So if you guys found value in this video, I would appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe button, or give me a like, or even a comment if you have any question. I'll be happy to answer your question. And also, if you want to learn more about YouTube automation, I have a free course on YouTube. It's in the playlist section of this channel. You guys can watch it. It's not a BS type of course. It's actually a course I used to charge like $2,000 for. It's basically what I use to go from 0 to 10 grand a month. So it's the same strategy that you guys can use to actually build an automated YouTube channel, or multiple automated YouTube channel on YouTube. And for those of you guys that might have the budget to be able to work with me, if you want me to help you personally with YouTube automation, help you build a channel within a week, help you build the team to manage a channel for you, have everything laid out for you personally, working with me to do everything with you, then you can book a call with me below. There'll be a link where you can book a call with me below. And if we're a good fit to work with each other, then we'll work with each other. And without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.